Open about halfway for me. Open all the way. Contract the lower lip.
This gentleman was here. It's very nice case, nice gentleman. And we're going to do with a custom matching the pink color here, which is perfect match. Right, this is our shade guide. I'm going to use this recipe. And here is the color between tooth color, and then big restoration. We can matching it. That will be a great case too. So patient's happy with this upper case. We fabricated several months ago. Now it's lower turn. And we made this tissue. We're going to just double check with the light pink, dark pink. It's a nice pink tone, and then another shade matching adjacencies compared to upper, so we're coming up.
Open about halfway for me. Open all the way. Contract the lower lip. Perfect. job. Congratulations, sir. Go ahead and bite down for me. And open. Good. And go ahead and bite. Beautiful. Perfect color. Go ahead and bite down for me. Stay biting. Custom shading. Top of the line custom abutments. Go ahead and open for me. How does your bite feel?
Good.
Awesome. Congratulations, sir. Go ahead and
Thank
smile
you.
for
Thank
me.
you.
Yeah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Love it.
It's a clickable contact there. So
Wait,
just
no
checking.
open contacts?
Correct.
Great.
And I did update, he does still want to do fluoride, so when you're done with his exam, check on his right side jaw, do that.
Great. Good. Open real big.